Hello, and welcome to EpicPro. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to enter an AP invoice.
To start, on the left panel, hover over Accounts Payable, Data Entry, then select AP Single Invoice.
On this screen, you will see all of the current invoices listed in the grid. To start, click the Create New Invoice button.
From here, you will be directed to enter the vendor and invoice number associated with the new invoice.
From here, you will be directed to the Invoice Header tab. In this section you will be entering the main information associated with this invoice. EpicPro gives you the ability to associate this invoice with any purchase orders that this specific vendor has. Once the header information is saved, you may continue onto the next tab labeled Line Items. In this section you will be entering information such as materials for this invoice. You can then add anything additional cost that may be involved. All the amounts will be automatically updated to the line items and header. You also have the option to attach any files associated with this invoice.
Once all the information is entered for this invoice, you may then return to the search page. Here, you will see the updated list of invoices. You can use the search bar to find any information in the list, or you can use the vendor list at the top of the page to filter your invoices by that specific vendor.
If needed, you can also edit any of the information of the invoices listed.
This was a demonstration on how to create an AP single invoice. Thank you again for choosing EpicPro software.